Yes, let's get started. Start by drawing the portrait of a model and draw the quotes, the dress part as you want, and later we'll be cutting the dress part away and leaving an open space. Once you are satisfied with the design, we'll begin with the cutouts and then we'll find different backgrounds to make the dress look alive. Let the world around you the pattern fabric, be it the sky, the sun, the flowers, anything you can use as your background. So grab your pair of scissors, start with the cutout, cut only the dress part, and this is how all the designs will look. Part is choose your background and capture your pictures. So this is how the pictures look like, sharing few of my favorites. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you for watching.